Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to the trading. Who's ready for today? Yes, today we have daylight saving, so that's why we're starting our live stream a bit early. If you live in Europe, we got time change for the market. So, welcome everybody. Welcome wherever you are. Good morning, everybody. So, before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So, who's ready for today, guys? We've got a bit of red market still continuing. For the unicorn, we have AZI have a reverse split jumping 112, RLMD 50% almost, HIMS, TBET is pulling back. Big in the rate now, so I'm gonna take it from the list for now. Keeping RLMD, HIMS, EONR. Those are the top unicorn I'm watching for today. We got other ones, but I don't like them that much, so I'm gonna keep those on the list. As you can see, guys, we got Bloom Energy still down, Intel still down, Marvel, TTD, Coinbase. It started to reverse from the bottom here. So I'm keeping my eyes closed for today. Yeah, Coinbase might give us a little jump for today. 2%, there's a chance for 2% jump at market open. If we didn't, we might have a pullback instead here. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on the pullback. If we did, I will watch for a dip just right there. Yeah, the market is still red. We might have a green, so I'm gonna keep my eyes on the market closely, especially for AAOI. Dipped a lot last week. It did almost 22% and started to reverse today after hours, yes, or pre-market. So welcome everybody, hit the like button and the win. As we said, AZI is the top gainer for today. Watching the BHAT had reverse split as well, but not good reaction. We got a lot of stocks reporting earnings right now. We got ADTX, guys, looking good. VPH had reverse split as well. DTCK the same. So those three might be good to watch. Double checking if we got something going on. ADTX, no good. This one, no good. That one, no good. Yeah, so we keep AZI on the list. Silver, we got a bit of mixed signal. Yesterday pulled back almost 5%. Now is almost on the green lights or green side. Why you say that, Santush? NVIDIA will reverse? Let us double check NVIDIA. Yeah, it did 3% last week. 170. Yeah, 170 should be a good reversal. So we might have another dip of 3% like last week. But NVIDIA is a bit slow. It doesn't move a lot. That's why I'm not putting it on the list. Ten-minute left, guys. 10 minutes left at the market open. You are welcome, Santush. Let's see the pulley market here on the markets. What they betting on? This is crazy. They betting about oil to go up 99%. Wow. This is, I think, really good to see what's going on. For the SP 500, 82% they betting that the price will be below the 6,600. So it's bearish. 22% is they said is up. Yeah, it's a bit bearish here. Tech. Yeah, we got here NVIDIA, largest company end of March, 99%. Yeah, almost NVIDIA. Everybody say NVIDIA, 93%. And Fed decision in April, they said 25 decrease, almost 13%. We have everything, man. They betting on everything. Look at this. We got almost 31% chance for US recession by the end of 2026. Yeah, Intel is move faster. than Nvidia. Nvidia is kind of boring. Yeah, that's why I didn't put it on the list. Tesla is boring as well right now, guys. We don't have Tesla back then. Tesla the last year or the year before. You see, Tesla doesn't move a lot, guys. Last dip that we have, we moved 10% in 4 days or 5 days. Usually we have this kind of move in one day for Tesla. So yeah, I think we have whale controlling Tesla right now is not meme stock anymore. Is way stable right now. Tesla is way stable and boring for me to trade. Yeah, we got really interesting take on the market. The market's getting weaker. A bit of weakness I see in the market. But the ones that I see it is interesting to for today hunt is Intel maybe. We got B. I'm watching trading desk for a dip maybe. Yeah, toward the 2673. MRVL. Yeah, it could be good MRVL for a trade for today. Coin as well, looking all right. And SNDK. Yeah, MRVL looking good at the market open. We might have a really good jump for it. Watch out, everybody. Okay, let's go. The market is about to open right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. MRVL. Coinbase. Intel is going down. AZI. B. MRVL trying to go up. Think we got a big buyer here. Yeah, looking good. MRVL. We need to test the 9046 for MRVL for today. Coinbase doing all right. SNDK the same. B nothing. Intel doing all right. Okay, nothing. AZI held the support, the 48. RLMD the same. HIMS pulling back is too risky here. Silver is getting the breakout zone. Coinbase is doing all right. Yeah, interesting for Intel. We got a really good reversal here. The same for Bloom. Okay, silver is interesting now. It's getting near a breakout around the 84. This one pumped and dumped SCIIT. EL, ELPW, we have a breakout for it. Now we got rejection for MRVL. ELPW, we got a good breakout at the market open, but now we got a seller just around the 7 cents. Now it have to hold over the 5 for another reversal up. Yeah, Bloom started to reverse nicely here. Interesting resistant now for Intel. Yeah, we got a resistant for Bloom. Interesting. Yeah, silver is pulling back. Today we got Neo earnings, guys. Watch out for Neo earnings today after hours, I think. Yeah, now it's testing an interesting resistance for today around the 490. It's still pulling back lately. Plug is getting good. It really looking good for a dip. Yeah, we got the big seller guys coming up. Have to be careful here. Except for Coinbase doing all right because crypto is a bit in green. So yeah, it's wise to watch Coinbase to hedge for the market because the market is weak. All sectors are weak except for Coinbase and crypto stocks. That's why we have a really good jump. Okay, Bloom, we got another jump. Wow, Coinbase is pulling back a lot now. I'm watching for the 196.99, guys. If we held, we're gonna have a really good reversal. Otherwise, we might have a flush. Intel looking interesting for a jump, guys. Watch out. Already have a nice bottom entry. Think there's someone bought the dip around 42. So now I'm watching for a breakout here from the 43.31 for another continuation for today, maybe. Yeah, we got a little resistant right now. We need to break this level, guys, to have a green day for Intel. For Bloom already jumped from the 138.27 and needed to go down more for re-entry. And sometimes we don't have this. Okay, coin getting near a nice bottom. The moment of truth. Let us go back to the unicorn. AZI is still number one, guys. Try to break the 66. Looking really great because we got the buyer over the 48. Might go toward almost the 84, so it look all right. Intel is preparing for a breakout here, guys. Watching out Intel closely. Slow but steady is going up. Going to go toward the 43.70 now. What's going on here? Still trying. Coin, we might have a reversal, guys. Yeah, until we have a breakout. B, it might go higher again now. How everybody doing? Greeting from Germany, Marcus. How you doing, man? Yeah, the market is a bit slow for today, but could change at any moment. AZI is preparing for a breakout. We might have haltation over the 66. Intel is going up a little bit. Bloom, the same, is going up a little bit. Coinbase is holding over the support. Watch out for Bloom, guys. It looked really good to gain back and reverse toward 146.28 maybe. So far, so good. Yeah, Bloom is going to Valhalla. Yeah, we got a retest for the all-time high. We need the 146, guys, for Bloom for today. This is the level that we should aim for. The same for Intel. We need to test 43.78 at least for today. Yeah, Intel started to move finally. I think we have a big buyer over the 43. Yes, sir. Bloom going. Yeah, we might have a seller right now for Bloom. Wow, AAOI guys is crazy. Look at this. We got yeah, a good reversal of 10% at the market open. Good God. SMDK the same. Coinbase, I think, is gonna go down. Yeah, we got a seller just came in here. Let's see if we hold here. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down, my brother. Still holding the support. Coinbase 197. I think, yeah, we might have a pullback. B, yes, pulling back as well. Yeah, MRVL tricked me. We have kind of fake out here, guys. Liquidity grab happened at the market open. I don't like those kind of stocks, man. Intel the same. It did great move in the pre-market and market open. Then here is kind of barcoding and low volume is not straightforward. It's not like Bloom, you see. Bloom just straightforward trade. For Intel, I don't like it now. Below the 43.78, which we didn't test. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. Yeah, Coinbase broke the support. PRSO holding the gain. Let's see from Friday. PRSO is good. It's holding the gain 5% down today, but still holding the gain. Yes, right. But it broke the trend, brother. So be careful. I think now it's gonna give the gain away. It broke the trend and the short seller entered again out on the 216. So it is shady. I think we're gonna have a pullback. Look in on the bearish side now. Double top, I think, for Bloom. We pulling back. Intel is a bit weak. I will watch for a dip. AZI didn't break the 66 yet. Beyond Meat is down 5% today. Neo in a green side. This is a good sign before the earnings. because the whole market is kind of red. Yeah, Coinbase, as we said, there's a big seller came in just below the 199. It might continue the dip, guys, for today. If we broke the 191, watch out. Coinbase might flush today. As you remember, guys, AAOI had the huge earnings jump after the good earnings back here in the 26th of February. And technically, since the earnings were up almost 100% in span of 10 days. Crazy, man. That's why it is still volatile. I want a dip for it because right now it's too expensive for me for entry. Still, there is no opportunity for me. EONR did a really good jump here. This one looking fantastic right now. EONR looking great. Gonna do another update for it on our Discord, guys, later on. It looks really good. Intel is still holding the support here. That's why I started to reverse. Yeah, Bloom is trying to break again. Yeah, I don't want it to break here, man. I don't want it to break because this is will make me feel a bit FOMO. Yeah, trying to break again. Not yet. Wow, this was close. Intel the same, pulling back now 1%. Yeah, we got big seller in the market still. Wow. So as a reminder, guys, don't forget the today we start our live streaming a bit early because of daylight saving in the United States. I think in Europe we're gonna have the time correct itself at the end of this month. That's why tomorrow the live streaming will be around 2 o'clock or around not 9, yeah, around 9 if you live in the United States, but if you live in Europe or Central European time, it is around 2 p.m. Central European time for tomorrow hunt. You are welcome, Budmaster. Okay, B Bloom, we got blooming here, trying to break. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming. Thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow.